Good, good, good. Okay, and another question I'm going to show you. Oh, okay. Someone also asked me, I forgot the name, but I said someone. Someone asked me that how if the candle, if the apa tuh, how the if the double maribozu is too big. For example, I show you here how if the double maribozu is too big. Okay, no worries. I will show you here. Okay. This was in my entry. Wait. Here. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. I lied to you a bit. I say that this got because got CK2 blah blah blah. Actually, it's only set up confirmation. It's not include direction because I didn't teach you direction. Okay. Let me show you. Mana tadi? Okay, here. So because I found double marbozu here. Okay, so this is double marbozu. And you can see here, as you can see here, this double marbozu is so big. Let me see. From here to here is 350 pips. Okay, and what should I do? Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame. What do you see here? Okay, now I show you. This is called double direction. We have double maribozu, and at the same time, we have SNRC2. Strong support, rally based drop, and then the price came back and make rejection. Okay, and then we go to the H4. What we see here, we see QM. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. Okay, so that's why I smallen the zone, because at the same time I saw I saw double maribozu in weekly, and I also saw SNRC2 in daily. So this is the strongest direction. Okay, so am I answering your question? Is it clear for you? I give you another one
Hi, teacher.
example. Wait.
Hello, teacher.
Hello,
I have a
hello.
question.
Yeah,
I have a
yeah.
question about this one. There is no bearish engulfing confirmation for this QM reversal setup. So when there is a very clear direction, we just ignore the bearish engulfing confirmation.
Okay, let me show you. If we don't have bearish engulfing, for example, you didn't see because you know like engulfing is very powerful, right? So
Yes.
there's no clear engulfing candle. Like I say, if you didn't find any engulfing candle, you can find any confluence. For example, you can find here.
Okay, I see.
At the same time, we see QMC. High, low, high, high, low, low. We have confluence. Yeah. And then
Okay.
price fall. Okay.
Okay,
All right.
thanks.
So I hope I am answering your question. And also, I'm going to show you another one where it is. This is called double direction. Okay. Wait. Give me time to find. Okay, it is here. This is the QMM just now. I show you. We have direction. We have direction. And at the same time in H4, we have double Maribozu. So we have two directions here. So that's why the price resists. And at the same time, we have, we have double Maribozu in H4, we have QMM in H1, and also we have bullish engulfing in daily. So yeah, it is very strong direction. And then price make Q and C in the lower time frame. I have also another one. I have many actually. Okay, this has lately happened in the gold. Okay, so like to draw like this. Yeah, the price reject here and make QM. We have bearish engulfing, and also we have QM. Bearish engulfing. We have double Maribozu in the daily. Is it daily? Okay, we have double Maribozu. Okay, now let's see the direction. We have double Maribozu in daily, right? Price didn't reject here, price reject here and make setups. And then we go to the lower time frame. At the same time, price make SNRC setups. Strong support, and then price make drop, base drop. So this is called double direction. We have setup inside setup. We have double Maribozu in the daily time frame, and then price make rejection, and also price make setup in H4. Okay, so this is called double direction. We have two direction. Okay, and another one, also someone asked me about like my brain suddenly. Okay, someone asked me about how if we want to take profit and know that yeah, where do you take profit? Okay, I like to take profit in two things, like first for the previous low, and second for the another roadblock. For example, okay, for example, I'm selling here. So here is my, wait, I make it big. Ish. Okay, I make it big. Okay, we have, okay, I'm selling here, and then here's my take profit, the previous low. But you go back to daily, what you see here, this is I call roadblock. We have another direction. So the seller is fighting with the buyer. Okay, we have double Maribozu, and then suddenly we found rejection here. Start making rejection, and then okay, and then price make rejection, just same like this. Wait. Okay, just same like this. Then go to the smaller time frame. What we see here, price make QM. Wait, price make QM. Okay, this hit of the QM is touching the daily double Maribozu in here. Okay, and also we find bullish engulfing here. We have confirmation of the setups, and then we have double Marubozu. Okay, so if you are selling here, you can take profit, maybe at least the lower low of the setups, and also you can take profit on the next roadblock. I call this one roadblock because I thought that I'm going to get rich until here. Okay, until here. I thought I'm going to take profit until here, but then I found roadblock. I say like, oh my God. And then suddenly this double Marubozu make another QM in the lower time frame in H4. Low, high, lower low, higher high. Okay. Just same like this, but unfortunately I didn't buy. Okay, so any question, guys, before I move into the next, or I call it um, the last direction? That's the direction. Okay, for example, if you cannot find setups in M15 or M30, you can go to M5 to M1. I have students who look for setups in M1, M5. Yeah, got as long as we have direction, we have rejection, we have setup confirmation, then we go with it. Okay.
Nora?
Yeah.
What if we stick to, let's say we don't have time to look at the very low time frame, such as the M15, I mean the setup for M15, M5. So if I stick with looking at daily as the direction, the Marubozu at the daily, and then I mark the daily Marubozu, and then when price reach there, then I start to look for rejection in H4, H1. Can it be done like that?
Yes, that's how traders do. But for me, if you can do like that, yes, go on. But for me, this is
Teacher,
very
teacher, hold on. Zami, I think your background echo is very strong. If you don't mind, could you lower down your speaker so that the teacher could explain to you while you are asking the question?
All right, all right.
Yeah, because your echo is too strong. You could probably lower down the speaker while we asking. Okay. Otherwise, I have to mute you. Then after that, when you want to ask again, you have to unmute.
Okay.
All right.
okay. All right. So, um, okay, let me show you. Most of my students who do the same like this, you know, for example, they start to um, mark the double Marubozu and then you wait for rejection. Trust me, guys, this is so tiring. You know, you wait for direction, you wait for rejection, and you wait for rejection. You keep. For me, if you think that this is more comfortable for you, just go on with it. But for me, I don't prefer this really. You know, we want to make money in peace, and you know, by doing this is really not in peace. Just for me, I like to go look for the setup. Let me tell you, um, most setup, if you trade GBP or gold, mostly they appear more setups during London Open, mostly based on my experience, you know. So um, for me, I like to look for the setup. For example, um, I show you, okay? I think better I delete it. Okay, for example, here. Okay, I saw QM here. Okay, QM. And then, for example, the price goes until here. We don't know the price going down or not. So I like to do like this. Oh, we saw QM. Okay, so I'm going to mark the head of the QM. Does this head of the QM is touching any direction, such as double Maribozu or setup inside setup? So now let me see. We go to the higher time frame. Yeah, on it. Okay, so we have, for me, this type of searching is not tired, because you know, when you're tired, when you're frustrated, you turn into beast, you turn into revenge. You know, like, it's not, I mean, like, I'm talking about psychology, your emotions. You know, when you're tired, your brain tired, you know, like, for example, you mark here, you mark there, and then you feel so upset the price didn't react. You know, price didn't, because you really hope that the price will make rejection, but actually the price not. So it really tired. So I don't want you to tire enough for you tired looking for money. Just for me, I suggest you look for the setup and look, this, does this setup is in the same line, the head of the setup is in the same line with the direction or not. Yes, this is my suggestion only. If you're comfortable, you mark the direction, yes, just go on with it. For me, I don't prefer that. Okay, it's really tired. Okay, so I hope I answered your question. Any question before I move to the final dimension? Hello.
Hello, Kak Nora. Farid here again.
Yeah.
Can I trouble you to go to the 30 minutes time frame for gold USD for 3rd of November?
Wait. You mean 3rd of November?
Yeah, the 30 minutes time frame.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because if you look at I think what time is it? Let me have a look. Yeah, about I think about 3rd November, 8:30 p.m.
10 November, 8:30 p.m. Okay.
Sorry,
Well,
is 3rd November. 3rd November.
3rd November.
Mm.
Oh, 3rd November. Okay.
You see there's a base drop there, but it didn't react to it.
Where's drop, base drop? You mean here?
Yeah, above it also.
Above here?
Yeah, slightly above it. There's a doji there, the green doji there.
Doji there.
Yeah,
Here?
correct. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
You mean this?
Yes.
Okay. What do you mean? Why the price break?
Yes, why the price
Or
break? It
what?
didn't like, yeah.
Okay. Why the price break? Do we find any direction here? Okay. All right. So your question is why the price didn't react in this zone?
Correct.
In this,
Previously it reacted. Yeah.
previously it read.
Yeah.
What is the name of the setup? This one? If you can say that. What I saw is only drop, base drop, or it's a bearish engulfing. But what setup is this?
No setup, I think so.
No setup. Guys, if no setup,
I was looking at the resistance B and I was trying to find
no,
what is
the
it, why is it
market
never
will
react?
eat
Yeah.
you easily like this, dear. Wow. Okay. All right. Yeah. You want to know why the price? Let me show you. Okay. Why the
Thanks.
price give you shit here if you try to sell here? Let me show you. Because price reacted from this double Mariposa. You're going to sell
Okay.
here,
Right.
and we have a direction here, and we have bullish engulfing here. And you still want to sell? You
Okay.
MC or you just lost here?
No, I was like, you know, I was only looking at the drop base, right? I was like wondering why I never react to it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, got
exactly.
it.
Be
Okay, thank
careful
you.
now.
Thank you,
Okay,
thank you. Thanks.
wait. Let me see if there's any setup in the lower time frame. Yes, we have setup. Some of you ask, oh, can we go to M1? Now let's see. We go to M1 now. Are there any setup? Yes. Ta-da! We have QM. Okay, we have QM, but you know the price keep playing around, playing around. But you have to remember this is M1. Okay, and yeah, we have double Maribozo. We have setup in M1, and then yeah, no setups. Please don't um just just leave if there's no setup, guys. Okay, so now we have the price react from double Maribozo in daily, and then we have setups, and then yeah, if you sell here, you're dead. Okay, so far you understand? Yes, always
Yep, thank
switch
you.
time frame. So this one is the what is it? Multi-time frame analysis. Everything is multi-time frame analysis. It's very important. Okay. All right. So yeah, I'm going to switch to the next or the final direction. Mm, okay, so I'm going to switch to the next direction. It is called blind spot direction. I uh, I I don't know why lately price always do blind spot setups, and yeah, I'm going to show you blind spot direction. I separate it because it was not in Bistra's signature setup in Fantastic Five. So before that, I want to ask you, do you know what is blind spot? Do you guys know? Blind spot, let me show you. Blind spot is like this. We have engulfing candle and then price. This is for buy, blind spot buy. We have engulfing candle and then price makes significant rally. Look, not sideways, blah, blah, blah. No, price makes significant rally. So this engulfing is filled. Same like just now who asked me. Sorry. Just like the guy who asked me, yeah, this is blind spot. Price make bearish engulfing, and then suddenly price makes significant rally. Okay, significant rally, and then the price came back in this zone and continue fly. Okay, here I show you how it looks like. Yeah, we have engulfing candle. For example, we have bearish engulfing, and then price makes significant break. So something like this. And then price came back and then continue fly. Okay, this one for sell. Okay, price make bullish engulfing and then price make significant drop. Okay, and then price came back and continue fall. So this is a setup only. All right, and now let me show you the SOP. The formula is just the same. Okay. For example, in H4, we have engulfing candle, and then price makes significant break, significant rally, and then we mark the zone, and then price came back and make another setup in the smaller time frame. For example, in M30. Okay, let me show you the example. Okay, so this is my example here. Yeah, I explained this in my IG about it, and you see, we have actually you know, everything is complete because this is a blind spot direction. This is blind spot setup. What I teach in pop notes. We have bearish engulfing, we have significant break, and then price came back, and then we just buy. But to make me more confidence about this entry is when the price make setups. Low, high, low, low, high, high. Some of you ask me, oh, this one is late retest. No. Doesn't matter. As long as this QM is in the setup, inside setup, or in the direction zone, quick retest, late retest, it doesn't matter. Okay, as long as it's in the right zone. Okay, and then the price came back and continued fly. So from for example, you want to entry 10 lot. When you saw this, you will entry more than 10 lots. Okay, so next, yeah, it's something like this. We have bearish and bullish engulfing, and then price makes significant drop. Look, something like this. And then price came back, and then price made QM high, low, high, high, low, low. And then price came back and continue fall. Mostly they make QM, okay? Same like this. We have bullish engulfing, and then price made significant drop. Zoop, something like this. And then price came back and create setup in lower time frame. This one is in H4. Okay, and then price came back and continue fall. All right, so finish. So guys, any question so far? It's just easy. The SOP is just the same.
Sorry, give one more question.
Yeah.
Sorry, for the significant drop or the bullish candle, right? We have to look at the 4 hours time frame or 1 hour. Is it enough?
Okay. For example, let me show you here. This significant. Okay, this is just now. Someone asked me about why not valuable. You're the one who asked, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, we have this price. This price failed to respect this. This is called supply zone. Okay, bearish engulfing. So you know, like who learned supply zone, you know, price supposed to sell and drop here, but actually the price not, because price react from the previous double Mariposa. So if this happen, this occurs in H1, for example. So you have to look for the significant rally in H1. It's obvious. Zoop, something like that. Maybe because of news, maybe because of whatever. Okay, and yeah, the price continued and came back and continued fly. So your question is what you mean if the price occurs in different time frame?
Yeah, what if it's happened like are we supposed to look at the end 1 hour time frame, or is it a 4 hours time frame to look at the significant drop or significant increase?
The same time frame also is okay. If we go to the H4 also, it looks so beautiful. It's called clean break, you know. Zoop,
Right. Okay, so
yeah.
be the higher time frame. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Some people say that this is a swap zone, or we call it resistance becomes support and all that. But you have to know that here must be bearish engulfing, and also in higher time frame must be bullish engulfing. So this is called blind spot. Okay. And now let's see if there's any setup in the lower time frame here. Okay, I'm going to switch. We switch until we find it. Oh my God. Okay, if there's any setups in the lower time frame. And one. Okay, we find setup. If you cannot identify well, go to the line chart and you see QM. And then let's see if there's any bullish engulfing in M5. Yes, we have bullish engulfing in M5. Okay, so you can start Umojin here. You can start big lot in here. Yeah. Okay, so far you understand? Any
Yes,
question? I just
thank you.
yes.
Nora, can I ask a question, please, quick?
Yeah, sure.
You see with CLAB, does it only work with QMC or can it be used with blind spot as well? And SNRC1?
Where's that?
No, I'm just asking, could CLAB be used
Oh,
along with
I see.
blind spot?
Can, but it's not always happen. It always occurs in QMC, the clap. Yeah.
So on
It's not always occurs, but usually the price always occurs as QMC and the clap. Yes.
okay, thank you.
You're welcome.